Question number 11. If P, Q, R are real and P is not equal to Q, then show that the roots of the equation P minus Q x square plus 5P plus Q minus 2P minus Q are real and unequal. We know that if a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 has real and unequal roots, then discriminant is greater than 0. Value of discriminant is, that is, b square minus 4ac is greater than equal to greater than 0. D is greater than 0, not greater than equal to 0, because if there is equal sign then roots are equal. So we have to show that the value of D is a positive quantity and it is not equal to 0. Given equation, compare with ax square plus bx plus c. We have a equal p minus q, b equal 5p plus q, c equal minus 2p minus q. It is value of c. Now find the value of D. D is equal b square minus 4ac. B is the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 5 into p plus q. Sorry, question. Some mistake in question. 5p plus qx. It is 5p plus qx. A is coefficient of x square. B is coefficient of x, 5 into p plus q. A is coefficient of x square, means minus 4. Value of A is p minus q. And C is constant term in the given equation. We have minus 2 p minus q, means the term which is independent of x or does not contain x. 25 p plus q square, 8 p minus q square. Then it is 25, open the bracket, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 8, open the bracket, p square plus q square and 2pq. 25 p square, 25 q square, 50 pq plus 8p square, 8q square minus 16pq. Twenty-five p square, 8p square equals 33p square. 25q square plus 8q square, 33q square, and 50pq minus 16pq, we have 34pq. Clearly, value of D D is greater than or equal to 0 because 33p square is a positive quantity, 33 square is also a positive quantity, and 34pq, since p is not equal to q, it is also a positive value. Then this term cannot be equal to 0. Then value of D is always greater than 0. Hence, given equation has real and unequal roots.